Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Playtime on Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, here's something important you need to know. You cannot actually delete Playtime on Steam since Steam permanently stores it on your account. However, what you can do instead is hide your Playtime from other people, which gives you complete privacy over your gaming history. To do this, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Steam window. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu, and from that menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where others can see your gaming activity and information. Once your profile page loads, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and click on it. This button allows you to customize various aspects of your Steam profile, including your privacy settings, which is exactly what we need to adjust. After clicking Edit Profile, a new page will open with several options on the left side. Navigate to Privacy Settings in that left sidebar. This is where you can control who sees different aspects of your Steam account and gaming activity. Now, within the Privacy Settings page, locate the option labeled Game Details. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and select Private from the available options. By setting this to private, you're hiding your Playtime and game library from everyone except yourself. Other Steam users will no longer be able to see how many hours you've spent on any game. And that's it. While you can't permanently delete your Playtime from Steam's records, you've successfully hidden it from public view, giving you complete control over your gaming privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.